In Perugia. Be careful. Hi, my name is Bonnie. I'm a student at Duke University and I'm studying at the Umbra Institute in Perugia. Today I'm going to show you around some of my friends' apartments. Hey MTV, Welcome to the shoebox with sunlight. What about the fun house? Because of the mirrors. Oh, that works too. The apartment, we have 4 skylights. Open and close all of them. Why does it go so slow? What's going on? This is our kitchen. Very exciting. Little cupboard kitchen. Fridge. Wow. Something we should have learned first week we were here. The cupboard doubles as a drying rack, so you don't need a drying rack. Yeah. All the water falls into here. So you don't need to dry it and put it back in. You just leave it wet and the water will get down. Yeah. We have a microwave. We don't have an oven, but that's okay because we can toast a lot of things and grill things on the stove. So yeah, we're fine with that. The bedroom. The desk, which is attached to the wall. I don't really use it, but I could use it, so that's great. And I have 2 closets that are just filled with clothes, and yeah. On that little plaza over there, you can see children going to school, and it's the cutest thing, and I love it. Yeah, and the sun's coming up, and so the view is really amazing in the morning. It's basically my room. Amazing. And then we have my room right here. The bed when I got here, but I separated them so I could also use the built-in desk. The awesome view. Looks so good. Love it. I love glass and skylights just everywhere. And then our very nice bathroom. Love our little shower in the bathroom skylight. Yep.
Have you guys ever used the bidet?
No. No, we don't use the bidet. And we have a washing machine here. We do not have a dryer, but we do have drying racks. Oh, and then when we moved in, Alessandra was telling us about the floor. All of these pattern tiles are hand painted. They're made here in Umbria. Same with the kitchen tiles. They're all made here. The TV's in each of our rooms. Yeah. But do you ever actually use them? I use this one to watch Scooby-Doo in Italian. Yeah. I've turned on the news. It's kind of interesting. Yeah. Peppa Pig here. Won this at Luna Park. Best day ever. Yeah, it's a part of it. Yeah. All right, welcome. Ciao. Welcome.
Yeah. This is our common area.
As you can see behind me, we have our magical drying rack with someone's clothes on it. And we use that instead of a dryer because in Italy they do not have dryers.
We'll show you the washer. Let's move on to the kitchen.
Into our kitchen.
You might be thinking this is tiny for 7 people. You are right. But we make it work. We have lots of cabinet space.
We've got a fridge over here, stocked. We cook pretty much every night, most of us.
This is our dishwasher. Our washer.
It's a great little tablecloth, super home style.
Makes you crave them, honestly.
Most of the apartments actually come stocked with at least some sort of basic spices and necessities. So all of our cooking spices came with the apartment, which has been super helpful.
Over here are 4 magical trash bins where you have to sort everything. Plastics, all your organics, and we have our little chore schedule.
This is how you tell what day everything goes in.
And this is our fancy little phone, and people can ring us from outside on the street.
We have 2 bathrooms, a small and a big one. Look inside this small one. Every bathroom has a sink, a toilet, a bidet, and a shower. This is how you flush the toilet here. You push up. It's interesting.
This is my room. I like it here because, as you can see, I have 2 big windows, and my favorite part is the view. So we're in the center, and you can see outside of the city center, which is pretty cool. All my clothes and all the stuff I bought in Italy, and these big wardrobe dresser things, which is really nice. There's a lot of storage in here, and yeah, I like it. We also have our little plants to make it feel more like home. An orchid and the weird looking succulent. So yeah, that's my room.
My room. I'm very happy with my room. It's actually kind of similar to Lauren's because we face the same direction, and I think this is the favorite feature. Every day, like I open this up and let the fresh air in, and just, yeah, you can see the birds, the steeples. Fun fact, there's actually someone that plays accordion in the neighborhood right below me, so almost every single day I'm like serenaded by gorgeous, authentic Italian music. I just like can't even get over it. It's not real. It's not real. Yeah, but this is nice too because it came with 2 desks, so kind of like I have an area to get ready in the morning, but I also have a place to study. I love it. It's nice.
Right next to hers. Welcome. I also have a pretty nice view. It's more to the side of what Lauren and Riley can see. It is beautiful. Lots of closet space, not as much as the other 2 rooms we just saw, but I have this, which is really nice for my sneakers. I have a desk, my bed. It's nice. The apartment came with a bunch of blankets, so when it gets colder, we can each grab at least 2, and there's enough for everybody. We also got sheets in case we want to change them, which is super nice. Yeah.
This is my room. It's really cool because the School of Music is right over there, so you can always hear people practicing music. This is my bed. I have 2 desks as well. I don't really use both. I just kind of use this one. But then this is all my artwork. It kind of makes your room feel like it's more personal rather than like you're living in someone else's space. I have tons of storage. I like put my pants here and stuff. We have hangers. This one's kind of funny. I just have 4 pairs of shoes. And then this is my getting ready mirror, but it's only the bottom half. So I have to bend down every day. It does its purpose. Yeah, this is my room.
And across from Angela's room is Bonnie.
Casually reading.
Hi! This is my room. I've got a big dresser for all my stuff. This bed is pretty comfortable. I'll do work here sometimes. My view is not amazing, but my place.
The apartments are between a 5 to 10 minute walk. Our apartment is about a 10-minute walk. There's many different streets you can take to get to school, so you can explore Perugia and find different ways to get there, faster ways. I know that's what we were doing, trying to find the fastest way to get to school. And we
Lots
did.
of hills though.
Be ready to get your workouts in living here.
It's worth it.
Yes. So after Bonnie's room, we go into Kat's room.
Hello.
This is my room, welcome. I'm going to Bolzano this weekend for my research. So this is where I study. This is where I sleep. And this is where I look at myself.
So we finally made it to Max's. We were just waiting for him to let us in. He lives in the basement of a building that a lot of Umbra students live in.
What's up? Hey guys, I'm Max. I'm a student here at Umbra, and this is my house. Welcome. This is our space. We have a nice living room here. We just wrapped up our anthropology of food and cooking assignment, where we all had to cook food dishes related to our cultural heritage. So you'll see the remnants of this. Tim and I both had to present today, and so we've got the remnants of our cooking. We have a nice couch here, TV in there, chessboard if we want to play. And here we've got our kitchen. This was my workspace for our anthropology assignment. You can see the relative mess, but it's not too bad. We have a dishwasher, which is sweet, especially with 4 guys. We don't want to be doing dishes. Sink, stove, oven, our freezer up here, and fridge down here with plenty of space. All the goodies that you could ever need. Out here we have a nice courtyard. You can take a look at that. It is stunning. Oh, my cookies! I love these cookies. Here are my cookies.
What kind of cookies are they?
They're supposed to be gingerbread boys, but the mold didn't work, so they're ginger snaps now. Still works. This is my favorite room, the bathroom. Essential. We got a washer here, which is great. We have 2 drying racks, one in the living room and one in Gavin and Tim's room. Working shower with cold water, the coldest water you would ever want, and the hottest water you would ever want. So you can find the happy medium in there. We have Tim and Gavin's room in here. I think they're working on stuff, who knows? I have a nice bed, it's very comfy. And then this is some of the artwork I've done. Around Perugia, you'll see all sorts of beautiful sculptures, and I love to go out and sketch them. So this is one that you'll find on the main piazza. This is a very famous fountain. This part is much shorter in person. I just got a little excited and made it super long. Whoops. This is from the main piazza where the Fontana is and the Umbra Institute. So we spend a lot of time looking at stuff like this, which is no complaints from our end. This was super fun. There's a festival, Luna Park, and there's tons of bumper cars. And my favorite, Antica Porchettaria Granieri 1916. It is a little stand in Perugia that sells amazing porchetta, and I made this sketch and then made a watercolor of this. That was my sketchbook tour. Hope you enjoyed. Cut that out. Window out here with the same courtyard. It's beautiful. This is our room. It's very cozy, and the best part, at night you close the shutters, close the door, and it is black, so it's very easy to sleep. Towels, all sorts of stuff. And the escape hatch when you need to leave.
Thanks.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for.
Just one person say it.
Oh.
Thanks for stopping by.
Ciao.